Hurry up!
We're getting cut short here because we got some tornado warnings. Holy smokes! Oh my! Oh my!
It's a real twister?
It might be. I don't know. We should probably go. Oh, it's a twister!
It's a twister! It's a twister!
Whoa! It's a twister! Ah!
We're all gonna die!
Hey, welcome to the vlog. How are ya? Coming to you live from Kentucky. I'm not sure if I properly introduced you. These are my brother-in-laws.
Hello, my name is Donald. Welcome to Soggy Bottom Pond.
I'll be back again with
Oh, the sun shines bright on my old Kentucky home. In summer, the people are gay. Young folks roll on the little cabin floor, while the birds make music all the day.
Did you get it?
Yeah, look how far.
Whoa! That is a money cast. What is it, buddy? Huh?
They always have to fit down there.
All right, so this is the, what's going on with my, there we go. This is the pond house that Donald's remodeling here. It's pretty sweet. Hey, what you got going on here, Slick?
You've been here before.
What? A flat screen TV and a refrigerator and a couch and a fireplace? Gosh, what do you think of this? The reason why we came out here had an extra AC unit, and we brought Donald that yesterday and cut a hole in the wall and just hooked him up with some AC. And yes, it works and runs great. Today we really don't need it.
Okay.
Go ahead, Mary. What?
My turn.
You got 2 out of 3 tangled up. Go for it, Abe. Whoa! You faked out the cameraman. Nice one, bud. Aw, Emily, you're all tangled up.
Mine is terribly tangled.
So these are Donald's kids. He has 3 of them. There's 2 of the 3. And then Uncle Andrew just surprised us here. He has all 4 kids here. And there's Donald's old goat. Old goat Banjo. There's little James. He's not so little anymore. He's big, huh? Hey, buddy.
Hi.
How old are you now?
7.
7 years old. What grade are you going into?
2nd.
2nd grade. Oh, boy. Did you catch anything yet?
No.
Where are my kids at? Oh, there they are. Hi, Cash. Penny, let's see you do a flip. Woo! Did anybody catch anything yet?
I got a couple nibbles, that's all. Literally no one.
I don't think there's any fish in here.
What?
All right, so we're spending a Friday afternoon down here at the pond house in Kentucky, just maxing, relaxing, you know. Hopefully the sun comes out. You know what we're gonna do when the sun comes out?
I don't know. Slip and slide.
That's right.
Slip and slide. That's fun.
All right, so we just wrapped up fishing, and Uncle Donald's gonna show us his new camper. It's pretty sweet from what I hear. Well, we're gonna go up. He has it parked at the neighbor's house. Well, let's check it out. I present to you the Scotty. This is Donald's camper he picked up in Pennsylvania for $650. And let me tell you what, folks, this is a diamond in the rough. It is a beauty. So right now he's in the process of restoring it, and that's what we're up here for. We're gonna rivet the corners and start piecing this bad boy back together. Don, what year is this?
73. 1973.
Where are these constructed at again?
Iowa and Pennsylvania. This is in Irwin, PA. This is where this one was made. Sarah Scotty was the name of the company. Sportsman was the model. And then they had different variations of that model.
Gonna do a little bit of framing here, and we're gonna learn how to rivet. Never riveted before. Don, overall, what's your goal here?
My goal is we're camping in this thing in a year, so.
Well, what about your company?
Take it on the road, sell it, get another one, do it again.
What's the name of your company?
Zampers!
Zampers. There you go. There's the guinea pig. Okay, let's get to work. So Don wants me to take off that vent and this vent. Let's get to it. We're getting cut short here because we got some tornado warnings. Holy smokes! Oh my! It's a twister!
It's a twister!
Oh my!
It's a real twister?
It might be. I don't know. We should probably go.
It's a twister. It's a twister.
Whoa! It's a twister! Ah!
We're all gonna die!
We're fine, everybody, we're fine. We're fine.
It's moving quick. You better hurry, son. I'm running. And I'm out of here. Later, guys. Oh, man. Look at that. Those are the darkest rain clouds I've ever seen, man. Holy smokes. Wow. Look at that, son. Northern Kentucky storms are no joke. Look at that storm wall. Save yourself, Banjo! Save yourself! Holy cow. Here, going in there. Run, Jed, run! She just grabbed Cass from upstairs. Don's worried about a tree falling on the garage.
Hey, don't worry.
Dude, it's so intense. Alright, so we're right down in here just south of Cincinnati. That's serious rain, man.
2 in Alexandria in one day. 4.7 there. That's crazy.
The storm's subsiding and hopefully the weather's gonna break here shortly. So yeah, stay tuned. On the next episode of Dan Peters Vlogs.
Uncle Dan, you have to do it next.
What are you doing, Banjo? Why do you like standing on roofs?